Kerala Backwater or Alapi Backwater is a must-visit place in your Kerala tour, and Alapi houseboat stay is one of the best things to do in your Kerala trip. Boathouse stay in Alapi is nowadays trending for Kerala honeymoon package tours, and almost all the tourists visiting Kerala is staying in Alapi houseboat for a night. At least they experience the houseboat for a day. But we have to understand a houseboat in detail, in complete, before booking the boathouse. To get the best houseboat experience as per your dream, as per your expectation, and also suit to your pocket. In this video regarding Alapi houseboats in backwaters of Kerala, we are showing you some important points which we have to learn, which we have to understand before booking the boathouse stay. Like, what is a houseboat, and is houseboat and boathouse are same? What are the types of houseboat, types of cruises, and the different types of routes in Alapi houseboat? What is a sharing houseboat and how it differs from a private one? What is the check-in time, check-out time? What are the available food options in houseboat, and how much time they will make the cruise? What is the houseboat rate for one day in Alapi, and what are the honeymoon inclusions they are giving and how much they will charge for? We'll show you the standard base rate sheet in Alapi for houseboat, different houseboat like deluxe houseboat, premium houseboat, luxury houseboat for 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom. We will share you the rate sheet also. And the most important point in the last, how to book a houseboat in Alapi. Shall we book it directly or through a agent or through a tour operator? We'll discuss the merits and demerits. So let us see the complete guide for Alapi houseboat in detail. Hi, this is Narayan Vasudevan and you are watching Trips and Tips. And if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and also click the bell icon. So let us see backwater first. What is a backwater and what is Kerala backwater? The scenic backwaters of Kerala comprise a serene stretch of lakes, canals and lagoons. What is a houseboat, and is the boathouse and houseboat are same?
Houseboat is a boat that has been designed or modified to be used primarily as a home. Majority of them are capable of operation under their own power. Accommodation in houseboats for tourists are common on the backwaters of Kerala, mainly in Alapi or Alappuzha. Such Kerala houseboats are huge, slow-moving barges used for leisure trips. They are a reworked model of Kettuvallams. Such a houseboat is about 60 to 70 feet, means 18 to 21 meters long, and about 15 feet wide at middle. The hull is made up of wooden planks that are held together by ropes of coconut fiber. Nowadays, bigger houseboats are available with 120 feet long or more than that with 20 feet width and with a steel hull.
So now we will show you what are the types of houseboat and what are the different types of services we are getting in that.
There are 4 types of houseboats or 4 categories of houseboat. We can call like that also. First one is deluxe AC houseboat. Second, super deluxe AC. Third, premium AC. And fourth one is luxury or ultra luxury. Let's see the features of the deluxe AC houseboat, which is the base one. Front lobby or drawing cum dining area will be open with minimum furniture. Bedroom will be spacious and neat and clean. Hygiene bathroom with minimum furniture. In deluxe AC houseboat, only bedroom will be air conditioned and that AC will be operated only from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. The second category is super deluxe AC houseboat. The major difference between deluxe AC and super deluxe AC houseboats are in the terms of AC operation timing. In super deluxe AC houseboat, the AC will be operated from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Same way, the super deluxe AC houseboats will be much more spacious than deluxe AC one, and the quality of the interiors will be little bit on the higher level. The third category is the premium category. In premium category, we can see the big difference in the front lobby itself. In most cases, all the houseboat having the front area with glass covered. So the drawing cum dining area will be entirely covered by the glass and it will be air conditioned. And the bedroom AC will also be operated full time. Obviously, the space, bedroom arrangement and interior, kitchen, service, staff, all are on the higher level. The fourth Fourth category is the luxury one. As in the case of vehicles and houses, the houseboat also luxury means it's indefinite. We can do anything. There is no maximum limit. So we can see lot of houseboat with ultra luxury facilities, interior, service, and they will charge for the same too. Almost all the big houseboats are facilitated with a meeting hall or a conference hall on the upper deck, where we can have a meeting up to 100 packs.
Now we can see what are the types of cruises available.
Two types of houseboat cruises are available in Alleppey. First one is day cruise and the second one is overnight cruise. The difference is very clear in the name itself.
What is the check-in time, what is the check-out time, and how much time we will get the cruise?
For the day cruise, the check-in time is 12 noon and check-out time is 5 o'clock in the evening. For the overnight cruise, the check-in time and all other facilities till 5 o'clock is same, and the stay will continue in the same houseboat till next day morning 9 o'clock.
So now we can see what are the food we will get in a houseboat, what are the limitations for that.
Regarding the food menu in houseboat or food what we are getting from the houseboat, there are a lot of limitations, because once the cruise started, no, we can't able to we can't buy any other items because we are moving through the water. So normally what we are doing, we are making a call to the houseboat people one day in advance and we are conveying our food preference. So they will buy the necessary items for that and they will be prepared for making that particular food item. Normally we will get a tender coconut or juice for the welcome drinks. Then lunch. Normally it will be Kerala style lunch with 2 non-veg. It is chicken and fish fry. There are a lot of options to take white rice or raw rice, sunflower oil or coconut oil. Same way for the evening tea snacks you will get banana fry or any pakoda. Dinner will be chapati, chicken or rice. So normally normal course of dinner. Morning breakfast like Kerala style breakfast, appam, puttu, idli or this omelette, bread omelette, egg, anything.
Now let us discuss what is a sharing houseboat and what is a private houseboat. What is the difference between that? Which one is good?
Sharing houseboat is just like a hotel. We are taking only rooms. So we are getting privacy only in the rooms. The common area, dining, drawing, the corridor, everything will be shared with others. While in the private houseboat, we are hiring the entire houseboat. So the utmost privacy we are getting and the service also entirely focused on us only. Advantage of sharing houseboat is the price will be little bit less, almost 500 per head will reduce. Same time the guest will get a safety feelings. While in private houseboat, you are getting utmost privacy and you can do the cruise as per your wish. Even the food also you can make necessary changes. I will prefer private houseboat.
How many rooms are there in a houseboat?
There are houseboats starting from 1 bedroom till 10 bedroom. So most probably the houseboats are of 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom.
Now we are showing you the base rate sheet. So depends upon the houseboat and houseboat operator, the rate may differ.
Let us start with the base rates for 1 bedroom houseboat. Deluxe AC 7,500, Super Deluxe 8,500, Premium one is 10,000 and Luxury one is 13,000 plus. These are the base rates. It may vary. Now we can go for the second category, 2 bedroom houseboats. So 2 bedroom Deluxe AC is 12,000, Super Deluxe 14,000, while Premium is 18,000 and the 2 bedroom Luxury one is 22,000 plus. So once again telling you these rates may vary. Will these rates change? Depends upon the season. These rates may increase drastically during this weekend, long weekends, holidays, Onam, Deepavali, Christmas, Pongal, Puja, same time the December weekends. These rates may almost double during the last week of December. What is a honeymoon activity or honeymoon package in a houseboat? What are the inclusions and what is the rate for the same? The base honeymoon package in a houseboat is including candlelight dinner, flower bed and wedding cake arrangement. The cost for the basic package is 1,000 rupees and it may vary according to the flower quality and the cake quality. 99% people are using the base package itself.
Now we are coming to the last point. How to book a houseboat? Shall we book it directly or through a agent or through a tour operator? Which one is good? Let us see the merits and demerits.
If you are booking directly with the houseboat operators, it is well and good and you will get a low rate. But the credibility is the main issue. Thousands of houseboat operators are there with single houseboats. Risk is very high in this case because if some maintenance is there for the houseboat, that particular houseboat may not be available for that particular day. It is always better to book the houseboats through a tour operator. Local tour operators know the houseboat condition, present condition of that particular houseboat. As the interior and quality of the houseboat will change from one boat to another, they will arrange a similar category houseboats.
I hope we covered almost all the points regarding the Alleppey houseboat or boathouse in Alleppey. So if you have any more questions, clarifications, you can WhatsApp me on my mobile number which is given in the description. If you like the video, please put your comment and share it for others. We'll come back soon with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care.